Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's write some Leetcode today. So today we're solving add two integers. So the problem states that given two integers, num1 and num2, return the sum of the two integers. So I feel like this problem is fairly simple, so we could just look at these two examples right here. So num1 and num2, just add them together and you'll have the solution. And input for literally num1 and num2, just add them together and that should give you the output. So the time and space complexity here will both be constant because just adding them together shouldn't affect the time or space at all. So they would both be all of one. So now let's get to the coding part. So I think this one's fairly simple. We have num1 over here and num2 over here, and we make sure we want to return it so that the output will be output. So just return num1, and like I said, just add them together, num2, and that should give you the output. I hope you find this helpful. If you guys have any other questions, comments, concerns about the video or the problem, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And I hope to see you guys again soon.